Think you need expensive softwares to make 3D videos? Watch this.
I think I'll have the Spécial Saint-Valentin, please.
Excellent choice. And for your drink?
If I were AI, I'd probably calculate this moment as perfect.
Be honest, you're way too calm to be human.
Are you sure you're not some Valentine AI upgrade?
Funny how everyone's chasing romance today, but somehow this feels just right.
Exactly. If friendship had a Valentine's date, this would be it.
Drive safe, okay? Call me when you get there.
You can do it too using free tools. Stick around for a couple of minutes. I used just 2 tools to create this video. That is ChatGPT and Google Image Effect. Stick around for a couple of minutes. Let's see exactly how it was done step by step. Let's go and learn. Before we go, do not forget to share this video to more than 5, leave a meaningful comment, follow for more useful tips like this, and above all, don't forget to save this video to your favorite so that you can always go back to it. Thing we are going to start with is to use ChatGPT for our brainstorming. That is, we start with creating our scene. That is the first step. This step is very important. And if you don't know how to create your story, we are always going to use ChatGPT to create our stories. And I will give you a guide that you can always use. So you can always just ask ChatGPT if you want to create a short story. You will give the topic of the story. You will say if you want it to be a dialogue. You will precise the number of character. You will precise the length of the story. And then ChatGPT will go ahead. You can precise the scenario. If you want to be a dialogue between A and B, you precise all that. And you go ahead and you send. ChatGPT will generate a beautiful story for you. So the second step you are going to follow here, we said it should have a consistent character, it should be friendly, it should be a dialogue between A and B, and it should also be very short. So ChatGPT generated the very short story for us. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to ask for image prompt. I told ChatGPT to give us a scene-by-scene image prompt of our story, adding to each scene precise character description, making them consistent as they appear. Look at this is the perfect one that ChatGPT is giving us. It has given us a scene-by-scene presentation with the characters as per scene. So the female character, the male character, scene 1 arrives, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. So we are going to continue to our next tool that we are going to be using, which is Google Image Effects. So Google Image Effects is also a free tool. If you are signing in for the first time, it will ask you to sign up. So once on Google Image Effects, you will sign up and then you come to new project. Then you will click, for instance, here to be able to paste your prompt. You copy your prompts from ChatGPT and you paste. We are starting with generating the image of the first character. So we paste the prompts for the image of the first character that ChatGPT gave us, the female character, and we hit generate. To generate the image, and it has given us the image of the female character. We will get the image of the male character as well. We get the image of the male character. We paste it here as well, and we hit generate. Okay, so we have the image of the next character. If our scene is finished, you just put the plus for the next scene to come in. Here we have the image prompt of the 2 characters together. So here we go and we send. So we have already here the scene, that is the environment, the cafe. We have the first character and the second character, and the both characters are together on one table here. To generate two images for us to choose. Gave us two wonderful images. We said nothing should change except the camera angles. So we will choose the one that is best. And here, for us to animate each of the images, we just come here and we click on animate. So here we will get our animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and our video is ready. Ask ChatGPT to give us an animation prompt. So we paste our animation prompts here, and if it is a dialogue, we add the dialogue directly. And there we go, our video is ready. So let's play our video. Do not forget to like, leave a meaningful comment, save to your favorite so that you can always come back to it, and follow for more useful tips like this. See you in our next half.